Welcome back to my channel. It's ELLE KOS Glam. I'm so glad that you can come back. I have a treat for you today. I'm going to introduce you to my new find that I found from Better Homes and Garden. I picked it up from Walmart. It's called the NOLA 5-tier bookcase in the gold finish. I love it. It's perfect for storage and it's a gold kind of bronze color. It's holding all of my fall favorites that I have so far. So this one actually breaks the mold because it is not as much as you think it is. It was only $99. I styled it very simple. Here's a sunflower and pumpkin bleached wood centerpiece that I put at the top. On the next shelf, I added a really pretty pumpkin that was silver with beads on it and glitter. It was very glitzy and glam, mixing rustic with contemporary look, and I kept the look very simple. I love pumpkins that have real looking stems. This one is beautiful and it's also very heavy as well. It's really pretty and I picked this one up from TJ Maxx. Next I have this wheelbarrow from Pier 1 and I added some small different color pumpkins inside from the dollar store. And how about this cute little owl with acorns next to it? They also have candles inside of them. And I also added a chalk white pumpkin, a floral arrangement with beachy grass, a glitter pumpkin covered to make it all cute and fit together. Fall decorating does not have to break the bank. You can do it on a budget. Here are some pillows that I paired with my furniture. These are from TJ Maxx. They were $19.99 a piece. And I paired them with this shabby chic look. I also added some Nearly Naturals bouquet to my living room. And they look so real. I really love the colors. And if you have allergies, you can get away with faux flowers. They look so real. Here I was shopping at Pier 1 and I was also picking up some things for Christmas and fall at the same time. I like to shop off season. Here's the back of my console table. This table is from Ballard Designs and I picked this pumpkin up from the flea market, the thrift store. I priced this pumpkin, it was $150 at other stores. I will try to hunt for it and put it down below, but I don't know if I'll find it. These are bark candles. They are flameless faux candles and I paired them up with antlers that are silver. So I really hope you enjoyed this look. This is a rustic kind of fall look for me and I love my console table in the back. I paired it with high end and low end. These particular huge pumpkins, I ordered those off QVC. Also, I ordered this lantern as well. It's large, it's big, and I just wanted to have something in there that was white as well. This is really the only pop of color that I have in my home. I have a couple more, but I really love this one. I think I'm gonna put it outside. These plates are from Pier 1, and I'm giving you a sneak peek of my home here. And I did add some traditional colors to my loft area. I love rust colors and dark reds. I don't really like the bright orange colors in my home. I like to match my decor to my home. So here's a sneak peek of my loft area upstairs and I hope you enjoyed it. There's some more pumpkins as well back there. I have them pretty much all over my home. I hope you enjoyed this. Please give me a thumbs up and thank you so much for watching.